Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be part 8 of Qbert. I wanted to get this control panel put together. That's all I'm going to do on this episode. I just wanted to get this ready to go, and then after that, our next one, we'll get the circuit board and everything in it so that we can get it working and see what the monitor looks like. I'm just got to line up my buttonholes and everything here. Pretty close there. Clamp this down and we can move it around a little bit. All right. A little off on that one. These look pretty good. I think we're just might be a little bit crooked. I think that looks pretty good there. I'm just trying to feel where the buttonholes are. We're gonna leave it there. I think we'll be close enough. And hopefully the black lines around the buttonholes will get covered up with the buttons themselves. Now we had to print this CPO. I ordered one from Phoenix Arcade. I put the lower half on the cabinet. I got the glass screen bezel and everything from them. I did get the upper control panel from them, and I was cleaning up boxes the other day in the basement, and it was taped to the cardboard inside the box, and I totally forgot about it and threw it away. So we just went ahead and printed this one. It was on VectorLib artwork website on the computer, so we're able to download it, and it looks like it's lining up really good actually, so we should be just fine with that, except for I just moved it a little bit. Just see what this looks like. Okay, so yeah, if you guys ever make sure you look at your cardboard before you throw it away. It was a dumb mistake. First time I've ever done that. I thought I took it out, unless I put it somewhere and I don't remember, which could be. But this, you know, this is actually really nice, so I'm not too worried about it. At least the quality of their artwork on that website's pretty good. And their measurements were pretty much right on. We didn't have to change any of them. If you look here, it's perfectly to the length of the control panel. Maybe a hair over. As long as the buttonholes line up, I'll be happy. Might be a little bit off, but I think the ring around the button will cover the black line that's still showing. off when I put it on, but I'm not going to worry about it. I might redo it. It's a little bit showing right there. And I think maybe I can make this a hair wider. Trying to think if it's going to be noticeable or not. Let me put these buttons in all the way and take a better look at it. Got to get those notches lined up. You know what? I'm not going to worry about it. Close enough. So let's put these on. And our nut. I have to grab a pair of pliers to tighten these. Now I am using the J-Rock board with a JAMA harness, so I might make a harness that unplugs for the control panel so that I can take it off and unplug it as I need to. Let me go grab some pliers and a screwdriver to put the screws into those. I just got some needle nose. We'll just spin the nut tight with that. They don't need to be super tight. That's good. Now we can put our leaf switches on. So if I get time, maybe tomorrow night, we will get the J-Rock board mounted in there, and we will get the wiring harness in, and we'll probably make a wiring harness for this. This is the reproduction joystick from Arcade Shop that's made for Qbert. So we'll get that put on. I got some nuts and washers here, which the washer or the nuts have a built-in washer, but I'm also going to put one on here just as well. And then we got to cut out the 2 holes for the carriage bolts in the overlay. The good thing about this game, you don't have to take the joystick apart, which I don't know that these ones even come apart, because the ball on them is so small that it fits through the hole. I think the threads on this one are messed up a little bit. Probably from when I welded those studs on. at least I was able to save this control panel, because if you guys remember in one of those other episodes when I welded it all up, how bad it was and then it warped on me. This one doesn't feel very good. It's tight. I don't want to break it. Must have gotten a piece of weld on the threads. Tightened. So let's cut out the 2 holes for the carriage bolts, and then we'll go just set this on the game and see what it looks like. Trim this edge down. All right, let's go get this. I'm gonna go set this on the game and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, there we go. Buttons and joysticks are joystick is installed. So next we'll do the wiring, get the board in there. We have to finish putting the coin door together. I got to buff out these coin return buttons. I still have to test that monitor. I know it turns on. I'm sure it's probably gonna need a cap kit. No clue yet on that. So we got to put the brackets in here that hold the control panel on, that these get bolted to. So there's a lot to do still, but at least we got it started. I got that together, so all the artwork's finished on the cabinet. I do need to take the marquee back apart because I got to put this vent up here, so I still got to clean that vent, the inside and outside vent pieces. I need to clean that, and I need to run wiring for the marquee light and stuff. I don't remember if I put the marquee light in or not. I have the glass sitting over against the wall for the, let me grab it real quick. This is the glass from Phoenix Arcade. It's nice, really nice. So, all right guys, that's gonna end this video. I figured I'd just do a quick one tonight of getting the control panel at least put together. And we will continue on hopefully tomorrow night. So you guys have a good night. If you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe. Have any questions or anything, feel free to ask. Other than that, I will see you guys later.